Hi, I'm Tom Fuchs, Senior Construction Manager with the Metro Flood Diversion Authority, with your May construction update. The U.S. Army Corps of Engineers awarded contracts this spring for 2 segments of the southern embankment, the earthen levee that will contain the upstream mitigation area. As they prepare to award a contract for the 3rd stretch, work began on the stretch known as SE-1B, which lies immediately west of the diversion inlet structure. The Corps contractor HSG Park Joint Venture 2 began work by stripping topsoil and importing borrow material, which they will use to construct realignments for County Roads 16 and 17. The final design will incorporate a 3-legged roundabout where the county roads intersect, with the east leg of County Road 16 passing up and over the southern embankment. Nearby at the Red River structure, the largest of the 3 control structures on the FM Area Diversion project, the Corps contractor has been busy working on the west side. With concrete work substantially complete at the west abutment and pier, crews are now stressing the first of the structure's post-tension bars, which will strengthen critical elements of the concrete structure. In the structure's west bay, crews installed the Tainer Gate embed plates, where the gates will seal and slide against the structure on both sides. They also began assembling the first of the structure's 3 gates. Additionally, Ames Construction, the Corps contractor, is doing concrete work on the east pier and abutment. While HSG Park works on the southern embankment, ASN Constructors is excavating nearby on Reach 13 of the stormwater diversion channel. They have now surpassed 20 million cubic yards of material moved. That's enough to fill every space and crevice within the Fargo Dome more than 9 times. Also in Reach 13, just northwest of the diversion inlet structure, ASN Constructors began work at the Cheyenne River Aqueduct, the second of 2 they're building. You'll notice we shifted from our drone view here as we see them begin to drive sheet piles and H-piles. Due to an active eagle nest near the site, we will be watching this work progress from a different angle. Work also continues at numerous other sites for ASN Constructors. As we look east from the 32nd Avenue West Channel crossing, where pile driving is now underway, we can see its proximity to West Fargo. The channel in this area will run just west of the city's boundaries. As we move north of the Maple River to the BNSF railway line, we can see that the concrete substructure for the BNSF Prosper Bridge is taking shape. Our final stop on this month's tour of construction highlights is at the Rush River Inlet. ASN Constructors recently began stripping and excavating the site. Similar to the diversion outlet on the far north end of the stormwater diversion channel, the Rush River Inlet will be an open channel excavation with armored rock arch rapids and 23 boulder weirs to guard against erosion. As you can see, it's already shaping up to be a busy construction schedule for the FM Area Diversion this season. Stay current on the progress by following us on LinkedIn, YouTube, Facebook, or X.